Let her know how beautiful she looks and what an amazing change she's made. She even looks different. Let her know, please.
ISUPK.
What's her name? Sarah. Give Sarah a hand, y'all. Hey, Sarah. Do me a favor, Haiti. Translate for the sister. She needs a translator, right?
Sir.
Is this the same sister that I talked to before in that council?
Same sister, I want.
Yo, that is amazing, brother. Listen, let her know how beautiful. Let her know how beautiful she looks and what an amazing change she's made. She even looks different. Let her know, please.
Général dit comme ça que ou belle en pile ou même changer ou même semble différent. OK, livré comme ça.
Clap it up for the sister,
merci.
Man. Okay, well, I'm speaking to her now, Levi. Okay, this sister has finally. This sister is an excellent example of the kind of redemption that can be received through the power of Christ under Commanding General Yahanna in the UPK. Levi, come on.
Come on, sir. Ça général dit là, c'est que ça c'est un exemple parfait de pardon que un monde peut recevoir dans ISUPK en bas Lòd Kòmandan Jeneral Yahanna.
And this sister grew up in hell. She grew up in Haiti, suffering tremendous poverty. And that poverty did not stop her from changing her life. And from here on out, she's going to be an example to every sister that believes that she cannot achieve something that is impossible. They're going to know that the impossible is possible because of what this sister has done. Go ahead.
Come on, sir. Et ça, il grandit dans l'enfer. Il grandit en Haïti dans la pauvreté extrême. Et ça, il y a un exemple pour toutes ceux qui pensaient que pas qu'à faire un bagage qui est impossible. Et ça, il fait un bagage qui est impossible, que lui changer la vie dans condition l'enfer ça que lui grandit là-dedans.
This daughter has endured terrible conditions. And through those conditions, she has still earned the right to receive her Hebrew name tonight.
Et c'est ça, lui enduré, mon sang c'est ça, lui enduré des conditions terribles, des conditions extrêmement terribles. Et je dis, lui a recevoir non hébreu, lui avec mérite.
She's earned the right to be called an official daughter of Zion in the Israelite school of UPK. And from this day forward, she is our sister, she is our daughter, and she is our mother. Right. Continue.
Okay, kounya la sœur ça, li a recevoir non hébreu li c'est une sœur officiellement dans ISUPK, une fille de Sion.
From this day forward, her name will no longer be called whatever it was before. But from this day forward, what will her name be, Levi?
Tahara, sir. Which
Tahara.
means God cleanse me.
Tahara, which means the Lord has cleansed me. That is your name. From this day forward, you are Tahara, which means the Lord has cleansed me. Levi.
À partir de aujourd'hui, c'est ça, il pas gain nom que il te gain dans monde là. À partir de aujourd'hui, nom c'est Tahara, qui veut dire Seigneur nettoyé. Et à partir de aujourd'hui, c'est nom ça, Seigneur nettoyé en hébreu Tahara.
Okay.
Tahara, I am so proud of you. I'm so moved because I saw you when you first came into the truth. And you absolutely confirm my faith. And I want you to know that we all love you and we can't wait until we can be together. And we're going to be together very soon, Tahara. All of us are very proud of you and all of us love you.
Et Général a dit que il est vraiment fier de vous. Il est fier de vous et vous confirmez foi dans la vérité. et nous tous remettons et on joue bientôt nous tous pour nous ensemble.
Most High in Christ. So now, Levi, clap it up for Tahara, everyone. Now, Levi, officially, you'll find a way to get her head anointed with oil, correct?
Cut out of a sir.
You're going to work it out another day or do it today?
I was going to do the prayers today, other one.
Let's do it.
Cut out of a sir. I'm sorry, sir. I don't want. Sorry,
Explain to her what's happening now.
So, Tahara, ça nous va faire là, nous allons réciter en prière bénédiction. On a récité lui. Après ça, les nous dit non, ou on a dit non 3 fois. Chaque fois nous dit non, on va répéter. OK?
OK.
All right, dis quand.
The camera's on her side.
All right, that's right. Yabaraka Yahweh.
Yabaraka Yahweh.
Wayashamaka.
Wayashamaka.
All Yahweh.
Yahweh.
Panyòl. Alyaka. Wayakunka. Ashar Yahweh. Panyòl. Alyaka. Wayashamaka. Shalom. Yahweh. Ba'ashem. Yahushua. Barak. Rapah. Magun.
Tahara.
Ba'ashem Yahushua.
Tawad Aman. Ça nous dit là. Ça nous dit là.
Tahara, we're going to be together soon. Go ahead, please. Go ahead, Ak.
Ça nous dit là, c'est pour Seigneur bénir vous et préserver vous. C'est pour l'Esprit Seigneur clairer sur vous, qu'il y ait pitié pour vous. C'est pour Seigneur faire sentir présence lui. C'est qu'il y ba ou la paix. Que Yahweh, non non Yahweh sha béni, guéri, défend, protéger.
Okay.
That's it, son.
Congratulations, Tahara.
Nobody tell you cry. You know why? Because I never saw you before. But you a black man like me. And it works out.
My whole life was trying to find something to follow. Had loyalty, every man tried to borrow. Felt pain and a lot of sorrow. Got betrayed, so packed, I didn't even have my heart broke. Living confused, about to lose hope. Cops got me on the side of the road like a sideshow. Need an antidote before I croak. Now I'm setting fire to rhythm man blues, call this guitar smoke. Rebel with no cause, trying to find direction. The world got me vexed. Picked up a bad liquor habit that's hereditary from oppression. Felt like my life was on fire, trying to find an exit. Now look, 10 G's plus a good wreck. Sometimes a follower is a soldier, trying to find a good ship. Plus when you in hell, how do you excel? Wisdom the breath of life, I don't believe in fairy tale. Listen well to what I tell. No calling can cause pain. Something that a rebel knows very well. Can't you tell I was sent from the Lord?